These are our stainless steel zipper that I just bought from our showroom. And they have recently become a wholesaling item in our shop. Why are they selling so well? That's because the high quality chain and it's very smooth. It's also very durable, so many buyers will choose this stainless steel zipper to make the wallets. And the second is the stainless steel zipper is cheaper than other metal zippers like brass zipper, and it can also be used in bags and clothing for a wide range of applications. So if you want to buy this wholesaling stainless steel zipper, you are welcome to contact us.